Welcome back to my channel. Wait. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see, I am making cookies. I might be making brownies too. I don't know if I'm gonna film that, but anyway, my mom asked me the other day if I would make something for us to eat. Well, we're stuck in our house, so I've decided to make some chocolate chip cookies. So I have my flour over here on this chair in this bag. Soda is right here. There is salt in the recipe, but we don't use it. Then I have my butter, my sugars, vanilla, the 2 eggs, and chocolate chips, and then the measuring cup and the measuring spoon. Funny story, this is a 1 teaspoon measuring spoon, and the one thing is a half, and I don't know where the half teaspoon is, so we're gonna try and use a 1 teaspoon to make a half out of that. Anyway, so the first part that we need is I need another bowl. Oh my god, I can't find another bowl. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I need another bowl, but I cannot find one. I don't even think any of this is gonna fit in this, but anyway. Oh dear God. So 2 1/4 cup of flour. So 2 cups and 1/4 cup. So we'll see how much of that goes in there. Okay, that's like 2 cups. So I'm gonna try and pour it in there. It kind of fits, and then this one doesn't have a quarter, so I gotta try and measure out a quarter without using an actual measurement. That is definitely not a quarter. That might be a quarter, maybe a little bit more. Okay, that looks like a quarter-ish, but I also spilt some. Oh, I just spilt more. Okay, so I got the flour in, and now I need the soda, and it's half teaspoon. Where'd my teaspoon go? So this is the most dumbest thing I've ever seen in life. I mean, I think there's a half in there, so maybe like drop some out of there. That might be a half now, so I'll add that in. Okay. So I got my soda done, so I'm moving that out of the way. Okay, after you do that, that needs to be set aside, so that's just going to go over there. And now I need to combine my butter. I need 1 cup. So I need a spatula. I am like the worst baker in the world, guys. Funny story, I don't even know where one of those is. Oh, right here. Okay. I found one. Okay, so it says 1 cup. So I'm going to open this up. It doesn't look like chew untouched. I think my mom took some off of it, but I think it's still gonna work if I just put it like a little bit past that. Okay, so I got my 1 cup part marked. Oh my god, maybe not. Okay, so I got the 1 cup right here. I'm not too sure if it's actually like 1 cup or if it's just a little bit less. Anyway, so that needs to go in here. And okay, so that's done. I need the sugars and the vanilla. Okay, that doesn't seem too hard. Sugars and vanilla is easy, I think. I've never filmed myself baking, and it's really lonely here because I'm home alone, so I have no idea what's actually happening in my life. And it's Friday, and usually on a weekday you have school, but I finished my morning classes, so I kind of just have like an hour-ish to waste. Maybe less, or maybe more than that, but anyway. Okay, so that, and then the sugar. I need 3/4 cup. Where is that mark? 3/4. Okay. Okay, so that one's done. It's not even 1/4. I have no idea what's wrong with the sugar. So, oh my god. Okay. 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 That might be too much. Ooh, 3/4, like it's level. Okay, so 3/4 of that one, and 3/4 of the other one. So, oh my god, now I need scissors. Maybe not. Hold on. Now I need scissors. As you can see, I'm very unorganized. So, okay. Something's different about brown sugar, and I don't know what it is. I've never actually looked at brown sugar compared to white sugar, but it's different, like very different. Okay, I gotta see how much is actually in there. Oh my god. It's not leveling out. That's about 3/4. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Since I didn't pack it, I don't know if you're supposed to pack it or not. I was supposed to ask my mom that. Anyway, so that's about 3/4 of brown sugar. Okay, I'm done with that sugar. And now I need the vanilla, and it's 1 teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I need to beat that until it's creamy, and then I need to add in the eggs. Oh my gosh. Okay. Mixing, but I don't know if it's mixing good enough. I mean, I think it's pretty creamy. So now I'm going to add in the eggs. So that's what it says to do. Okay. I'm going to add in the eggs. One done. Two done. Okay, and now I gotta put these in here too. Every time a vehicle goes past my house, it sounds like it's pulling into my driveway, and it's kind of creepy. Okay, so that's good. Now I gotta slowly add in the flour. Okay, I'm gonna mix that much first. trying not to get it out of the bowl, but it's not really working. I feel like some of it's splashing out. Splashing. It's not water. Oh my god. This is what quarantine does to you guys. It makes you go like crazy, and then you don't know what you're doing with your life. Oh my god. I'm gonna add in a little bit more. Oh my god. I'm almost done stirring this. And then I gotta go turn the oven on while I put these on a sheet. Uh-oh. Oh my god. I honestly think that next time I make cookies, I'm using my mom's electric beaters because this takes way too long. And way too much muscle. This like takes so much muscle. Like, I'm not even joking. You guys should try and make cookies and see how much muscle it uses. Because it takes a lot, and I don't have all day. Okay, I'm going to leave this. You guys are going to come with me to go see if I can find cookie sheets to put this on because I have no idea where they are. Let's see, what's this one? Is that one clean? Oh, it is clean. Hey, look at that. There's a clean sheet in my house. Okay. Boom, boom. There we go. Okay. Now we gotta go turn the oven on because I don't even know what the oven's supposed to be at. Oh my god. I'm like so unorganized. 375, guys. 375. Also, my house is really messy. Oh my god. I'm like dropping everything in my house. I think that's normal. But anyway, better check in the oven, make sure there's nothing in it. This is Unorganized Cooking with Mary. Okay. Bake. 375. 375. Sorry. Okay, there we go. That wasn't so hard. That was like the easiest part of my baking ever. Now I gotta leave again because I forgot to spray the sheet. Also, watch me struggle to spray the sheet because my fingers are small. Okay, I think that was maybe too much. That's okay. Okay, so I gotta finish mixing this. I don't even know if you guys can like see me or not. I don't even think you guys can see me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just giving up. If you guys can see me, that's great. If you guys can't, I don't care. Okay. So now it's like really hard to mix. So I'm gonna have to like use my hands in order to like get it perfectly mixed. And then, so I'm making one batch without the chocolate chips and one batch with the chocolate chips. And yeah. My dad doesn't like the chocolate chips, so I don't know. It's different here. Okay, so that's pretty mixed. Now that I got my hands in there and like doing stuff. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, this is like real sticky. I don't even know if it's supposed to be sticky, but like this is like really sticky. Oh my god. There's like some weird thing in there. Okay. So now that that is done. Okay guys, funny story. I decided that I would come back and film some more. Hopefully I can insert this. I hope you guys can see me. Anyway, so now I'm just putting the cookies on the cookie sheet. like the first little batch. I think there's only gonna be like not that much in the first little batch, but these ones don't have chocolate chips because my dad cannot eat chocolate chips. Well, he can, it just doesn't agree with him. So we're just gonna make some for him without the chocolate chips. I don't want to make like a lot for him, but like I want to make like enough so that we have enough to eat and he has enough to eat. But yeah. So I'm really bored, and that's why I keep like just talking. And I think that's why this video is like long. But yeah, those should not be right there. So I got them on the cookie sheet. I need to space them out a little bit more. So, oh my god, I think I just might have like stuff. Okay, so there they are, and now we gotta go put them in the oven. As I'm trying not to burn myself. Okay, so that one's done. And, well, it's not done, but it's done. And now I gotta, like, put the chocolate chips in here. So, and, and I don't know if I should add the second one or not. Maybe I should just, like, mix this. There's a lot of chocolate chips in here, but I think the second one would like make it a lot nicer to eat, more chocolatey. So I'm gonna add the second one in just because there's not as much. They're called chocolate chip cookies for a reason, guys. That's all I'm saying. Also, I just wanted to point out, I have a shout out right here. So, I think, as far as I know, my little cousin Cassandra, usually watches my videos, so I hope she's watching this one. So Cassandra, if you're watching, thank you for all your support of watching my channel. You're like my favorite cousin. But yeah, maybe someday you'll be in my video. Who knows? We'll just have to wait and see though. Alright, so I'm done mixing the chocolate chips in. And I have to wait for the cookie sheet to come out because I am not going to try and find a second sheet just to put a few little chocolate chip cookies on. So, I did not set a timer when I put those in. I think it's only been like 1 minute or something. Maybe 2 minutes. I don't know. But yeah. We're just gonna see if... Yeah. Anyway. So that is basically me making chocolate chip cookies. I kind of showed you my final product of what they are gonna look like. You guys know what chocolate chip cookies look like. And I'm not going to keep talking for 10 minutes because my video editor keeps like shutting down. So, I'm just going to end this here, like for good final end. End it for good here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you Cassandra for being my favorite cousin. That is the final product of the dough. And the cookies will be out soon. But yeah, that's it. And that was my unorganized way of cooking. Baking, whatever. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm very unorganized. And yeah, that's it for this video. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.